Welcome to the daily message for this 25th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Today's gospel is the parable of the vineyard owner. We're familiar with the story. This is the vineyard owner who goes out at 9 in the morning and hires people to work in his vineyard. And then he goes back out at 12, and again at 3, and once again at 5. And when it comes time for him to pay them all, he pays those who started late in the day exactly the same wage as those who have been working in the hot sun all day. Maybe there's a need, for some collective bargaining here. But when the vineyard owner is challenged, he says, "What is the matter? Are you jealous? Because I am generous." Despite those words from the vineyard owner, in many ways, this parable makes no sense. Why would the vineyard owner pay those who had worked only an hour or two exactly the same as those who had worked all day? The thing is, we can ask the same question about God's love for us. God's love for us in many ways makes no sense at all. Why have we been so blessed? Why have our lives, for the most part, been so good? And so today's gospel invites us to reflect on the overabundance of God's love, the overgenerosity of God's love for us, the great gift, the great grace of God's love for us, and to be thankful for that gift, and at the same time to recognize the gift of God's overabundant love as a calling to us to love others in ways that also make no sense, that are overabundant, that are over generous. Thank you for watching. Have a restful, peaceful Sunday. Stay safe, stay healthy.